Good morning!
Good morning, guys!
Ready na kami mag sandbar.
Sandbar. Ano ba? Island hopping? Sandbar? Sandbar lang. Kasi isa lang yung pupuntahan natin sa sand. Sa white sand. So guys, dito pa rin kami sa hotel namin. Yan, nagano lang kami sa view. Nandun na ba? Wow, yeah. So nasa gilid pala namin yung diamond and yung inakyat namin. So yun. So we're going na sa baba para i-meet na namin yung mga friends namin. And yun.
Ang weather ngayon na hindi mahangin, calm, unlike kahapon, grabe, cloudy, umuulan. It seems like today.
Wow, may katamaran dun.
So we're gonna,
I think yun na ba yun? So,
alright, see you later.
See you later, guys. Bye-bye.
Okay, naman po ng taga Jose, taga Sinain.
Ayan. Yan, hindi ko sila naintindihan. Para sila nagcha-Chinese. So, hi naman kayo sa vlog ko.
Hi!
Hi! Ayan po, mga taga Hawaiian. Mga Hawaiian. Ayun to, meron na kayo.
Small coffee or grande?
Small.
Mga musubi.
Salamat ulit.
Sige, sige. So we're waiting dito sa lobby. May friends namin. Papunta na sila dito. I-pick upin kami. Look at our outfit. Outfit check. Yan. Medyo malamig. Kasi maraming butas-butas. Ito naman sa kanya. Yan. Makapal. Busy siya. Tingnan dito na. Dito na kami. Good morning! Hello! Good morning! Good morning, girls!
Hi, morning!
Morning! So we're ready na sa kaming... Ano ba ito? Meron din kaming mga musubi sa inyo.
Okay yan, para may bakong tayo doon.
Yes! So, yun guys. Nasa vlog pa yung... Nasa vlog pa. May tinapay? Guys, we're going na sa boat. Yan, mga 30 minutes drive daw yung biyahe. So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa port of entry. Ano?
Baka naman ang napunin yung mag-fishing tayo.
Okay lang, may fish net naman tayong dala. Yan. Yan, dito yung mga boat. Hindi namin alam kung saan dito, pero...
Ano oras tayo matatapos, guys? 1? 12 ang 12 ang...
Ayan guys, I think dito lang kami eh. Wow. Ang ganda naman ng Hawaii. Yan, pero ang baho lang ng mga isda. Baka may pokeball. Baka may pokeball dito.
May mga hindi nagugas.
Sino? Uy! Nilagyan pa niya ng lemon. Para mabango. Lemon? Yan lang yun. Yung tubig nila sa hotel, mainit daw. Palaging mainit, walang malamig. Ang ganda naman dito. Bago kami mamilan.
A few moments later.
Yeah, one per person. You're welcome. So guys, checking in. You guys can fill it out over here.
Where's the washroom?
Checking in.
So, yung boat namin ito, ayan, sa likod ko, ayan, malaki pala siya. And I think pwede din kaming later maliligo. Yan o, ang ganda na what's it called this one? Yung mountain dito. Perfect. Oh wow, may sun na. Yan. Love, may sun na love. Sun. Yan. Sumisilip na yun si Mr. Sun. Hello.
Morning guys.
Hello ah.
Aloha.
Ayan, dito na. Mabuti. Kamusta?
What's up, you guys?
Hello. Hello ah.
What's the last name?
Hello.
Okay.
Yan.
Right on, you guys. You can sit wherever you guys want.
It's okay here? It's okay here oh. Para iba.
If it gets hot, you can open the window. Just let it.
Ganda naman. So dito may donut sila na libre. Hi.
Aloha.
Aloha. It's a donut.
Yeah. Sugar, glaze, or chocolate?
Glaze.
Glaze, you got it.
May pa-donut sila dito. Sarap ng donut. Is it a Hawaiian donut or what?
They're regular donuts.
Oh, regular donuts.
Yes, we call them Hawaiian donuts.
Hawaiian.
Hawaiian donuts.
Hawaiian donuts.
Yes. And then we have juice over here as well.
Alright, thank you so much.
So,
Thank you. It's a Hawaiian donut.
Smile, 'cause I'll be sitting here waiting for you. Sunday, Monday, yeah, and even Saturday sleep. 'Cause I'll be my mouth feel it's easy as one. It'll be just you and me, one big happy family. Ain't no place like home, baby, I try to tell you so. If anything is wrong, there's one place you know to do. I just can't wait to get alongside you. You need me. Just like that. You are walking out of my room. Just like that. I saw you backing up with it. Girl, I made you wait. Oh, but you know.
Or mag-live.
Maninig ko kami sa inyo, pero mamahal na lang namin yung sumo. Ano ang kainin mo? Ha? Ano kainin mo? Ano ang kainin mo? Ano? For sumo na. Pinacheck ko lang mo tama. Sakto ba? Ilan ba lahat? Kay ate ka, kay ate ka. Ano?
Wish I was special, so very special, but I'm a whatever you want, so very special. Wish I was special. I don't belong here. I don't belong
So guys,
But unfortunately, the alcohol in that can right there is not for free. Alright, that one you have to just go see Sister Sotomi because it is 5 o'clock somewhere and she can help you out.
Nandito lang naman yung Sandbar. I think
Our restrooms, there is one men's restroom and a changing in the trash cans provided in those restrooms.
At mag-snorkeling tayo.
Behind my partner and I, there is a floating.
Wow! Ready na. Oh yan na, wow! Ganda. In case of emergency landing. Ayan. Ano lang? Ba't naka-high waist ka na?
Ano ka high waist?
Ganyan naman talaga like best. Picture mo muna. Recording ka later. Bye!
So taking the VIP to where he needs to go.
Yes.
Gotta take
Welcome
care of
to Hello.
Aloha.
Aloha. Hawaii.
Sorry, my name is Lovili Vili Nuku Nuku Oi Oi.
Oh yeah. I know what's that, but yeah. Hey. Hi.
Sorry, I just got my license.
Hello.
Nah, just kidding.
Yeah. Hello guys. Hello, later.
Hey, he called Uber.
Yeah.
Uber C. I had to answer. Uber C.
Because I have my camera, that's why.
He called Uber C, I had to.
So, here. Alright, so dito na kami. Ah, gaya nga. Yan, te, kaya ano te? May baon akong musubi. There's a musubi
Okay, so
there.
you're gonna step right off over here.
Alright.
Got it?
Yes.
Watch your step.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kaya nga. So nandito na yung mga ano po. mga may-ari ng hala. Ba't nakahawa ka dyan? Para may bata. Ayan. Hi guys, so napupunta kami ng Kapolei Luau. Luau is mga tradition dance dito sa Hawaii. Am I correct? Tradition dance. Or kinda parang cultural nila. Parang ganun dito sa Hawaii. So may mga kainan din and may pagkain na ano. Magkano ba yung ticket? 160 each? It's 160 each. So may pagkain talaga. And then right now, mag-wait na lang kami sa aming mga friends. Pupunta na dito. Ayan. So guys, update ko kayo kung ano mga kaganapan doon. First time ko. I don't know sa kanya. Na-try mo na pa yan? Second time na daw. So first time namin. Kaming tatlo. Apat. Hindi ko alam kung sino. Kung sikat-kat nakatry na pa. So yun guys, so we'll update you kung ano mga kaganapan doon. We're so excited sa pagkain. Nandito na yung mga friends namin. Kinukuha na kami.
Okay. Hello. Gusto naman kami.
Pangalan niya? Francis.
We're going sa aming destination. Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Luau. Ano yan? Germain's Luau. Ano ba to? Pusa? Pusa yan. Kala nila may unggoy daw. Mahaba-haba yung lakaran ngayon.
Makikita yan.
Yan, doon papasok tayo.
Pinakikinggan ko nga eh.
So doon lang kami dinapbay ng ano namin, ng driver. And then hi vlog. Hi vlog, welcome to me and you know, oh it's golden hours. Oh, it's golden hours? Golden hours. Yeah, buti na lang. Ano mo talaga yung mga ano? Ha? Ah, dito pala tayo. So ito na, welcome hot sa yan. Yan siya. Hali Kiki Kiki. Welcome hot. So we're here na sa registration. Aloha family.
For the drinks, can I have it?
Profile or ano?
3, 4, 5. Each adult has 2 alcohol drink tickets each. All the soda, coffee, tea is free on night, and you can order virgin.
All right, I'm a virgin.
What is
All
that?
the soda, coffee, tea is free all night. You don't need
Free. If it's
and they will help you put it on. Once you have it on, walk right in the back with your photos.
So guys, mahangin dito. Kasi malapit lang sa, I think dagat, di ba? Kasha in front siya ng outfit.
Mabilan ka naman.
So,
Para magtigan ko lang.
yung ticket. So ito, yung ticket namin. Dito sa Luau.
Left.
Ay, left? Oh my God. Thank you. Ay, here. Okay, sorry. May kwintas pa. Thank you. So, may kwintas. Wow. Hi to my vlog. Aloha. Okay, Dom, go.
Okay, let's go.
Ayan. Ayan. Wait muna tayo.
1, 2, and 3.
Alright. Dahil na yung pictorial. So, ayan. I think buffet ba to dito?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, ang ganda naman. Parang inano pa lang nila ngayon. Nag-set up pa lang sila. Kasi may palechon si Laude dito. Small. Wow, ang ganda naman. Ha? Hello. Okay.
Guys, enjoy.
Thank-
down this way to help you out, okay?
Thank you. Huwag kang Ay, may pa-stage. Ayan, ang ganda.
Second row tayo pa
Saan? Kasi may mga reservation dito. Hello. Hello ah. Okay lang po. Any blue? Pilipina. Taga saan ka po sa atin?
I don't speak.
Ay ah.
I'm Ilocano.
Ilocano. Oh.
Pasit.
May Cagayan.
Cagayan. I'm Ilocos. My mom.
Can you hi to my vlog? Hi vlog.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Kamusta?
Naimbag nga bigat. I know. Gabi. Gabi. Oh, that's my Ilocano. This is good daw.
See what you mean. Now walk around, see the sunset. Girls are making
So guys, mag-ano kami ngayon?
Kukuha ng flowers.
Kukuha kami ng mga flowers. And then, magpapapatato kami. Henna lang naman. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng golden hour.
Ganda pala dito.
So, dito kami ngayon. Hello! Wow!
We're here for the flowers.
Did you want a tattoo?
Yeah!
Yeah, of course. I can do a tattoo for you. For you need a tribal.
Tribal?
Yeah, tribal. Tribal is like this. There's a meaning behind everything.
Here?
Yeah, see, like that. No, I don't. If you want your chest, I can do your chest. But a tribal is a tribal. So there's a meaning for everything you do.
So what kind of tribal will you give him? A meaning?
Go.
Have a seat. I'll show you.
So we're in the...
Anywhere you want.
Choose.
Anywhere you like. Yeah, right here.
Here, I think.
Yeah, of course.
So...
Yeah?
Husband.
Oh, nice. All right. So you guys flew from Chicago straight?
Yeah.
Or you guys stopped by somewhere?
So what is
If it goes up, it means you're royalty. If it goes down, you're in the front lines and you're gonna fight.
Oh,
Okay? So that's what this is. You'll see this in a lot of people. So when you see people that have spears like this, it's because you're the warrior.
Oh, I'm a warrior.
Yeah, you're the warrior.
Give me the turtle.
So,
Turtle,
ito
have a
naman.
seat. Who's that? You're not supposed to. Yeah, it's against the law. But turtle in Hawaiian is honu.
Oh, he's so cute.
It was really windy, and but today's a good day.
Wow, nice.
So turtle represents protection because of the shell.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It also represents the journey you're gonna take. Okay. It senses danger. That's why these are shark's teeth. Where are you from?
Hingi ka na nga.
Pwede ba humingi? Ha?
Ninong lang kasal.
Para dito, kasal. Para sa kasal. You can put in here.
Fit ng damit ni ate sa kanya. Ay,
Yan. Ha?
fit ng damit ni ate sa kanya. Saktong-sakto.
Kaya nga, no?
Hindi dito tatawagin yung first owner.
Right there. Okay. Wow, ang ganda naman. Yan. I love. Ay, ang ganda dito. Picture kita. Guys, tapos na kami nag-pictorial. Ayan, si Habi. Naging photographer doon. Start na yung show in 10 minutes. So, magla-line lang kami. Kukuha kami ng mga drinks. Yan. Unlimited drinks daw dito. Joke
Ba tayo?
lang.
Dito tayo, para mga
Ano ba?
picture natin. Grupo, selfie.
Hi guys, so nandito tayo, nag-line tayo. Kasi ang ticket natin is mayroong 2 ticket na free. Yan. So, yun yung mga...
With alcohol is 2 tickets, yeah?
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, so tear the ticket.
Sorry.
You're okay. So guys, so yun mga dalawa. Alcoholic ha. Blue Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Yeah, Hawaii.
1 ticket, right in there.
Yeah. This is vodka, blue curacao, and pineapple juice. Alright.
You enjoy.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Blue Hawaii.
Hawaii. Enjoy, you guys.
Huh?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Our first luau.
Our first luau together. Yeah. More to come down. It's good. I love it.
When that is done, don't wait for the announcement. Just stand up and come over here. So everybody stand up close. That's the baboy. Okay, this is where you want to be.
Excited.
But this is on the bottom. Imu, I-M-U, Hawaiian.
So that's the real baboy?
That's the
Yeah.
baboy.
Yeah, I know.
No 4 leg.
4 legs.
Over there, but take a picture.
Alright.
No swimming, but come back.
Alright, thank you. Ayan. Magluluto daw sila ng baboy later. Hello. Wow, it's good. Nice view ah. Ha? Pwede ano ko lang to yung ano. Ang ganda. Cheers. Cheers for friendship forever. Insert Marisa.
Ipasalamatan siya ng bayad ng voting na.
Thank you, ate.
Thank you, sis! Happy birthday!
Bakit ang hirap tayo?
Pero iyak ka muna. Iyak ka muna.
Yan, gusto ko.
Message.
Message. Okay, message. Message to Annalie.
Hi, sis! Happy birthday! Thank you for being so nice. Thank you for the friendship.
Oo, malalaman ka natin, Marisa.
18 years, 19 years now, this year. So I appreciate you. And I love you. Pautang!
And ano, thanks for everything. Tapos, ano sabi ko kanina?
Moana.
Ayun sa Moana.
Kanta. Anong kanta?
I have crossed the horizon. Ano yun? To find you.
Pwede ka tayo.
Ulitin ko yung sinabi ko kanina sa boat.
Huwag mong sabihin na...
Wait lang. Wala akong musubi na regalo. Yung gusto kong regalo sa kanya. Ito na lang.
Ito.
Regalo.
Wow, yung Prada.
Wow, Prada.
Regalo ko na
Really,
lang.
are you sure?
Ay, wait. Dali. Ito na lang. KitKat. Grateful na we have the time together na nag-celebrate ng birthday ni Ann today. This week actually.
I have one more
Diba?
message.
So, yun, grateful ako na everyone is, except kay Marisa. Pero Maris, side note, thank you sa pa-boat.
Sa pa-boat, Ate Maris.
Ano mo?
Thank you sa paggising sa akin.
Wait, hindi pa ako tapos. So anyway, Annalyn, I wish you
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. No, wish ko na maging successful ka sa career, good health, and more celebrations na birthday.
Bye-bye. Stay rich. So, Ate Ann. So, at this part ako sa 50th. 50th! Oh, sorry. Hindi. I'm so thankful kasi nakasama ako sa grupo niyo. Ayun. Tulungan mo akong iyakin siya. Ayaw lumabas yung luha niya.
Kaya nyo.
Thank you for the friendship.
My coach pala.
Thank you for
being so nice.
Yes, thank you for being so nice to me. And you know, wala lang. Kahit bago pa lang tayo naging friends. So, yeah, parang close. It's like
Ikaw na lang kaya.
Happy birthday, sis. I love you.
And copy paste. Yan po. This is Sir Nandun. Happy birthday. Yeah, that's great. That's all.
On behalf of the Majesties, would like to embrace you as family and welcome you to our feasting, our traditional celebrations, and greeting guests in the spirit of aloha. Family, please welcome.
Aloha! Aloha!
As our torture, mahalo. To officially make the presentation of our main course is made ready by heaping stumps of the kiawe wood or mesquite, steam of the hot rocks that does the cooking process. Our kahuimu had unfastened the chicken wire meshing. You see them shaking the pig from side to side to loosen those hot lava stones, which are still 1, 2, 3.
Minutes na lang yung show.
One by one, we are watching, and now we're ready to have the traditional ritual performed. Except with this early Hawaiian cooking process. Ladies and gentlemen, on with our Kuluapua is
tradition
for you. This is your time to analyze our dinner lines and get our dinner procedures underway. So family, follow the
So meron ng show, mag-start na yung show. Yung pre-show pa lang yun kanina. So ngayon, pinapakita nila kung paano nila mag-lechon ng baboy. Yan.
Dito na lang marami
Ayusin mo.
Jay-Z, mas marami dito.
Dito na lang kaya.
Oo, mas marami dito. Sa gitna. Yan.
Parang naman kung si ano yun? Salud. Picture.
Yan.
Picture tayo.
Ayun.
Ano nga yung sa akin kanina?
Ano yan? Customer
Aloha! So kainan na. And yan. Inisa-isa nila sa my table na pupunta doon sa buffet.
Hey gang! Hi! As soon as you guys are ready, you're gonna head straight down this walkway right here.
We are ready. Sa Pilipinas, saan kayo? Manila. Thank you. You're welcome. Pay. Nagla-line ng mga tao dito. Charot. Diyan kami nag-picture.
Kaya nga.
Pwede pala dyan.
Ba't kasi kaya nagpunta?
Where's the food?
Baka ka ng
Okay. And my coleslaw, my salad, beef, yan, and chicken. Hawaiian chicken. And May cake. Pero ano to? Unlimited. Kain. Sarap. Balita ko masarap to yung manok nila dito ng pag-go.
Masarap.
Di ba yung Hawaiian chicken? Ganun.
Hula-hula. Ay, huli-huli.
Hula-hula. Sarap. Nilagyan na
Buttered.
Itlog.
Alam mo yung lasa ng ulam sa probinsya? Ganun.
Sarap. Alright! Cheers!
Cheers sa buko pandan.
Buko pandan! Cheers!
Not all of them, but the most of them.
How do you find it? Wait. Hi! Our new friend, Ann.
Welcome to Hawaii.
Yay!
Have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We'll keep in touch.
Yeah. Alright! Tatapos na din!
Yeah.
Ang saya nito! Oh my God! Woo! Aloha! Hi guys! Hello!
Dami naming drinks na binigay.
Ang daming drinks!
They'll be there for just a little while. We do have your photos back there with our photographers. Please stop there and take a look.
Aloha! So yun guys, tapos na po yung show. Sobrang saya, nag-enjoy kami, yung mga barkada namin din nag-enjoy din. At also, wala na, dami namin nainom kasi.
Ay no, naging unlimited. Supposedly 2 drinks lang.
Parang naging 4.
Hindi, parang naging unlimited dahil nakaibigan namin yung park.
Yes, so ayun guys, we're going home na. And
we're going back to Waikiki para mag-karaoke daw. Kakanta siya.
So yun guys, please share, subscribe, and like sa aming video. So, bye-bye! Kita-kits soon sa aming mga travel vlog.
Bye.
Bye.